Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Daily Leetcode Problems in 1 minute part 8. So here's the problem. Given a string, sort it in decreasing order based on the frequency of the characters. So here's an example. Tree would be EERT because E appears more than both R and T. So here's the function, frequency sort with inputs of self and S. So for the first step, we're going to create a dictionary and we're going to set up a string that we're going to return at the end. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to loop through this string and we're going to count every time that a character appears. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to sort the items in the dictionary by the value, and then we're going to reverse that so that it goes into descending order. Next thing we need to do is we're going to build the string, so we're going to pass in the string from before, and then we're going to multiply each character by the frequency. And finally, we just need to return the string. Alright, let's run it. And here are the results. Thanks, that's all I got. Like and comment for what you want to see next.